James Opondo. Tuke mag rowere mantiere matimore e sikunde mag secondary telo mag counties ochopo giko e counties mopogore opogore pacho ka bang' tukegi kawo yweyo mar higni 2 nikech midhusi mar corona. E county ma Kisumu, team sikund secondary ma Maseno dhi nyime kod duoko maber ma kinde ka kinde e tuke mag rugby bang' bedo joloch e county no. Maseno noloyo team mar Thudi Buoro points 21-0 e finals bang' ng'ado tiko e tugo mar nus finals mabende giloyo team mar Njiko Boys points 21-0. Maseno bedo team mokawo kombe e tukegi mag rugby maonge team moloyo gi kata point 1 kochakore tuke mag group gi.
For this championship was exiting without being considered a try, and I think we've achieved that as a team. And I want to thank the boys. They have really worked hard during training and also during the games.
We always set a target for every championship, and I think this is one of the many that we've achieved. We are focused now for the regionals. We know there's task ahead, but we're prepared for it. And I think we've worked from 2017, we've been at the national every year. And going forward, we believe in the performance.